This right here is perhaps one of the coolest purchases I've made in the past 6 months. It's an all-in-one camping and emergency light, and I'm sure you've seen it all over social media, especially on YouTube, Instagram, and oh my gosh, TikTok. However, those ones are junk. You don't want to buy those ones. You want to get this one right here. Let me show you all the cool features and why I think you should get this light as well. Here we have our all-in-one light. The very first thing you're going to notice is the strong construction that it has. Let's go over the different lighting cycles. So it's got a side warm white light here. Then the next click is an RGB on the side. Then the next one is a breathing on RGB that'll cycle up to a brighter and then dim down and keep repeating that pattern. Then you have a directional light that's kind of like medium power. Then you have a stronger focused light that you can use for anything that you want to light your way. Then the next click is turned off. The impressive thing about this light is this over here. When you pull on it, you're actually gonna get access to rope and fairy lights. So when we turn this on here really quick, you will see that you get this long strand of rope that is perfect for decorating, I don't know, your canopy, your barbecue area, your camping area, your tailgate, whatever you want. It's perfect. And what separates this one out for the rest is the end piece. It actually has a hook on it, so you can hook it onto whatever you want and then pull taut to drape any way you want. Or you can actually hook it back onto the lights and make a loop and pull taut. It's actually very clutch. Now on the back here, you actually just flip this piece up and over to the side. And this is actually how you retract the lights back in. Nothing gets tangled, everything is perfectly smooth. And you'll notice right here that it just fits flush on the side, so that way nothing sticks out and you're good to rock and roll. Now, if we flip over back to the other side here, there's a few more settings that you can actually do. There's a directional and safety emergency light here on the back. To access that, you just push and hold down for about 3 to 5 seconds, and now you've got this directional light that's very strong, kind of like a flashlight, if you will. If you hit it again, it'll dim down the power to about medium for what you need. And then the last one is an emergency signal light. Sorry if there's anyone out there with sensitive to light. And then one more time for off. You also have a few other things that you'll notice under here. You have your power button for on and off or changing the different light cycles that you want. You have your power port for charging, which is awesome because it's a USB Type-C, so it charges really fast. Then to the side of that, you have an indicator light to let you know how much power is left in the unit. And then on the outside edge here are these little metallic discs that you can use to hook the light to anything that's metal. Perfect for your barbecue area, camping area, RV, the back of your trunk, or under your hood. This works fantastic. This is perfect for an emergency kit, or if you go camping, or just keeping in your car if you ever need any type of light, or you're going to any special event. I am surprised at actually how long the battery lasts, and the fact that when I wasn't using it, how long it kept a charge. It was kind of impressive. The only thing I would say that's negative about it, and I haven't found one that can replace this just yet, is rather than flashing between RGB, I would love it if I could just select blue or red or green or anything like that. So that way, if I had multiple people at different campsites, I know which tent's mine from a distance or which camping area is mine. Because if everybody's got one of these, it makes it a little difficult. But the cool thing is, this is the best one you will find. And I did you a favor and I put links down in the video description. And for 20 to 30 bucks, it's a steal, but it's always on sale. I recommend if you can get it around the $20 mark or under $20 mark, you're probably gonna be pretty happy. It's an awesome light, and I recommend that every camper or any bug out bag have one of these for them or inside their car. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all next time. Take care and peace.